Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money online without any skill. To be honest with you, for you to be able to make money online, you need to have a specific skill because you need to offer value to people. Then people will be ready to pay for the value you offer. But with what I'm going to show you right now, you don't need any skill for you to start making money on this site, and it is going to be something that you do for free or something that you do daily. So what I just need you to do is just to grab your phone or laptop and internet and then pay attention by watching this video to the end, so that at the end of this video you will also be able to make money. I want to guarantee you that if you follow the steps that I'm going to teach you right now, by the end of this video, you should be making something within the range of $5 to $10. Now, I am going to show you proof because I am using this site. This is one of the sites I've used in the past and I see use, and I've been able to make money through this site. I'm going to show you, I think I still have some money left in my wallet. I'm going to show you um, how I've been able to do this, how I've been able to make those money. Now, the site, without wasting much of our time, is called sproutgig.com. Sproutgig.com. As you can see, this is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world. So you will be hired as a freelancer to do a particular work, and then you get paid for doing that work. These are simple tasks that you do daily. For example, you can be asked to like a particular Facebook page or follow an Instagram account, or you are asked to create an email or sign up on a particular website. So these are some of the tasks that you'll be asked to do, and you get paid in dollars. I tell you that if you have a skill, yes, you can bring you up to Sprout Gig, but if you don't have any skill at all, you can still make money. But let me just quickly show you. As you can see here, you see that people are advertising their gig here, but you are not going to advertise here because for you to be able to advertise your gig here, you must have been trusted by this site before you be able to advertise your gig or advertise what you can do or what you can offer people. Look at this. This says that I will do one detailed SEO analysis report. This one says I will do one custom t-shirt design for you, and this person has gotten 24 reviews, and that means that it's being paid $1 per per work. So and ordinarily, when people buy things from you, they hardly leave review. So for him to get these 24 reviews, you know that at least he must have done times 3 of these 24 that you are seeing. So if you check other ones too, you see people charging as high as $5. This person has gotten 29 reviews as well. This one has gotten 81 review. Put up a particular skill that you can do here, and then you get paid. But don't worry, like I said, even if you don't have any skill, I'm going to show you what to do. But let me just quickly show you that people are making money from this site. And as you can see here, this person just earned 0.07, and look at his total earning, $879. That has been his total earning. And if you go down, you see some even 3,000. Look at this one. He just earned 0.03, and this is his total earning, $1,472. So you too can make as much as this and even more. And if you look at the other side here, you see latest requested withdrawals. This person just requested a withdrawal of $6 through PayPal. This person just requested a withdrawal of $11 through LTC. You can see PayPal, LTC. You can also withdraw to your Skrill. So now for you to come on this site, it is very, very simple. The sign up is easy and it is something you can do. What you just need to do is to click on sign up here. So after clicking on sign up, what you're going to do is just to put your real name here, then your email address, your password. You confirm your password, your nickname, you select your country, and you click on I am a worker. And if you want to employ people, you click on I am an employer, then you click on agree to terms and then sign up. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to use my link and also sign up. So one thing you need to know is that you do not want to create more than one account. Just one account is enough, because if you create multiple accounts, SproutGig would ban you. So after creating an account, you need to log in. Now I'm going to log into my own account. So this is my own SproutGig page. And one thing I also want to tell you guys is that there are a lot of people visiting this site. So this site is a genuine site and is paying. You can check it out on Trustpilot, but quickly let us check like how many people are visiting this website monthly. So we use similar web to check that out. We type sproutgig.com. So as you can see, this is the global rank and this is the country rank. And in December, they had about 3.8 million visitors. In months before then, you see that they have more people visiting this site. You see 4.7 and 4.5. That is in the month of October and November, respectively. So you can see that there are a lot of people visiting this site and also making money from it. So you can also make money from this site. You can see here, this is part of the end amount I have in my account. And let me quickly show you from the employer side. I see I have some money there because I moved money from my worker portal to my employer portal. As you can see here, I'm still having around $12 left. So this is the amount I'm going to pay people if I'm going to employ people. But we are not focusing on that right now. We are focusing on the worker side. So as you can see that there are job levels here. We have the starter, the advanced level, and so on. You can also select a category here if you want to just sign up alone, or you want to do SEO and promote content. You want to follow Telegram account, Discord, TikTok. You can click either of these categories and then you click on apply, and you are going to get gig in the specific category that you have picked. And here we have payment. You can streamline or select price range. For example, I can decide to say, okay, I want to work for anything. I don't want to work anything below 30 cents. So I'll just leave it at 0.30 to 3.30, and I'll click on apply, and then I'm going to get jobs within that range. If you scroll down, you see different tasks to be done. And let me quickly explain what this means to you. Here, you are going to have the title of the task. For example, this one says subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then you have international, meaning that it can be done worldwide. And it also contains surveys, offers, and it's up to 10 questions. And if you look here, it says that this person needs 26 people to do this job, and 8 out of 26 people have already done and submitted this job, and they have been paid. And as you can see, this is the amount that you're going to be paid, and the rating is going to be 1 day rating. That means that the person will rate your work and also pay you within that day. So you can see that there are a lot of tasks that you can do. If this one says watch video for 60 seconds and you get paid this amount, $3.3. This one says comment on our video and you get paid $2. So as you can see, like I told you, that at the end of this video, you'll be able to make at least $5 or even more. So if you do any of this job, you'll get paid those amount. Now, let us check out one of these tasks. Let's choose this first one. I will click on it right now. That says subscribe to our channel, so that we're going to explore the work to be done together. So if you click the task like I've just done now, here you are going to have excluded countries. So you need to pay attention to that. if your country has not been excluded by the employer. Because if any country has been excluded, then you're going to see that you see the name of the country. For example, if Ghana or Nigeria has been excluded, you are going to see it here. So here we have the dates that the person has joined Sprout Gig, and here we have the number of work that has been done and the expected task to be done as well. So you also have time to rate, which is 1 day. That means that the person is going to rate you within a day, and you'll be paid. And if you scroll down, you are going to see the specific instructions for you to follow in order to get paid. So you see what is expected from workers. What you need to do in this task is that you go to this site, and then you are asked to click the button. Then you complete human verification to verify that you are not a robot. Then to complete verification successfully, simply download any app and use for 30 seconds. Then enter your phone number and complete survey. That is what is requested. And it was said here that after you complete human verification, you will get access to the channel. So then you will be able to watch the video, and you see notes to the worker that you should do your work honestly, then do not spam, and only submit proof if you have subscribed to the channel. So what you are expected to do is that you submit a proof that you have completed the work you are asked to. So here it says that you are required proof that task was finished. One, YouTube channel name. So what you're going to do in that case is that a space or column has been provided for you to input the name. As you can see here, it says YouTube channel name. Here says screenshot that shows that you have subscribed to our channel. And if you scroll down, you are going to see where you can upload a file here, and you upload a screenshot. And for the last one, which is screenshot that shows that you have completed human verification, you would also see another option for you to upload the file. And if you want to leave any comment, you can leave your comment here, then click on submit proof and wait for the employer to check your work and also pay you this amount, which is $3.30. So it is as easy as that. It is something that you can do, that can be done by anyone, even if you don't have any skill at all. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and if you have a question, you can leave your question in the comment section of this video, or you contact me on my Telegram account. I'm going to leave a link to my Telegram account so that you can reach out to me if you want to. So this is how to go about using Sprout Gig. Do not forget that I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for you to be able to register on Sprout Gig, and you also start making money. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.